Here's how you can make your own baby crawling pads at home and using very readily available materials that are at home. So if you have a baby who's at 6, 7, 8, 9 months and they have started growing, they have not yet started walking, then you definitely are going to need the knee pads. Why? Because this helps them to play freely. Also, this helps them not to get hurt on the hands and on the knee. Also, this sometimes help prevent them from touching dusty things, because the dusty things end up on the pad or on the knee. Yeah. Also, I feel it's a bit appropriate, especially if you have your babies play outside, like on the grass, ground and all, because they may end up hurting their hands or they may end up feeling painful. So the knee pads and the hand pads help them to just prevent that. So here is how you can make yours. You definitely are going to need very minimum things. You're going to need socks, 2 pairs of socks, either used or not used, that is new, but it has to be like heavy. You see the one that I have, it's way heavy inside, and then that's just for support. Yeah. And then you also need scissors, and then you're good to go. Yeah. Now let's just start this up. So you just align them together. Yeah, align them together so that you get to know where you're going to cut. And for cutting, you need to cut at the edge of the sock. Yeah, like, see where I'm touching there, that's where you need to cut. So you're going to cut a straight line through your socks. That's just about it. Yeah, align them together and then cut them. Just cut through, don't fear, just cut through. Now after cutting them, that's how they look like. Yeah, so you're going to have like 4 pieces. Yeah, the front part and the behind part. Yeah, so let's start with the hands. Yeah, we're going to make a hand pad that can help your baby during the time that they're crawling, and you can make as many as you want. So what you do, you cut the front part. Yeah, because again, hand pads must be open at the forefront. It's just that like a glove, but something that's just going to support them while they're crawling and moving around. Yeah, so you just cut both sock at the far front. And disclaimer, guys, make sure you have a very tight sock. Like, it depends with how thin or how fat your baby is. If they just make sure the size that you're going to the size of the sock that you're going to pick for your baby can fit them. That's just about it. So after cutting it, see how it looks like. So we are going to just cut a little hole for the thumb. Yeah, where the thumb is going to pass. Again, this depends with how thin or how, like, I don't want to use the word fat, but how you thick or how uh, fat your baby is. So just cut a little bit, just on either sides. Just cut a little bit that can fit your baby and that can't be loose. Yeah. And that is the final product of the hand and the knee pad. There you have it. Remember, you can make this as many as possible, because again, you're not going to use only one. You need a couple of them. So let's try them on this baby. And right now we're really fighting. That's how they look like, guys. Tell me they're not good and tell me they're not going to help him. And this is him outside playing with the balls. See, they're really helping because of the grass. Yeah, see. Well, I hope the video helped you, and if you love such contents, make sure you let me know down below. Also, if you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, thank you for always staying tuned. Thank you for always watching and liking my videos. Well, I think that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.